So hello everyone, welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. Really glad to have you here today and looking at some 4-hour charts, my favorites. So I'm going to share my screen and let's get going. As always, if you have any questions, just pop it into the chat box and I will check afterwards. All right, so the first chart I'm going to look at is Gbp Cad. I was looking for a short setup yesterday and it did um, come about. So I have entered that trade. If you were following on the Telegram group, you would have got that information. And I have this morning moved the stop loss to break even. So now just waiting for that trade to play out. Already risk off the table. So yeah, let's see what happens with that. Next setup is Gbp Usd. So this one did not come back to the trend line, so just waiting for any pullback at the moment to look for any opportunities. So at the moment, I'm not really looking for opportunities because it's not even in the pullback area. Next chart is USD Cad. So that one is going up towards that trend line. On the daily, it's sort of just at the top there. So that might still be a good opportunity for a short. So yeah, any sort of reversal around that area would be great for a short there. Next chart I'm going to have a look at is USD Jpy. So that one is still going sideways and it's right sort of at that top. Not really sure what's going to be happening in terms of on the 4-hourly. I'm still looking for a long at this point, but just see what happens with that price action there. I would prefer the pullback a bit further, but yeah, probably staying out of this one for now. Not really looking for anything very intensely there. Next chart is Euro USD. So that one didn't have the strong reversal there. So just waiting for that price to come back. Still looking for a short at this point. Maybe around this area here, around that trend line, or at least half a retracement back towards those lows here. So let's see what happens with that. Next chart I'm looking at is Euro Jpy. So this one was going up until recently. Now I'm looking for a short. So on this one, we now had a low there, came back up. So now just looking for the price to come back. And if there is a reversal around this area, then I would be looking to short at that point, now that we have the confirmation of the change in direction. Next currency pair that I'm looking at is the Aussie USD. So with Aussie USD, that was also going up and now reversing. So now looking for a short. So again, just looking for that price now to come back to the trend line or to this sort of level here for a short reversal there. Next chart I'm going to have a look at is Euro AUD. So Euro AUD was going down. Now it looks like it's going to reverse and potentially go up. So if the price comes back to this area here, then I would be looking for a long at that point. So let's see what happens with that one. Next currency pair that I'm going to look at is Euro GBP. And Euro GBP again has been going down for quite some time. We have a little bit of change in direction there. Not quite confirmed yet. So just looking for the price to go a little bit higher, come back, and then would be looking for a long at that time. So a bit further along here, something like that. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Gbb Jpy. So that one is starting to come down. How far it goes, nobody really knows. So at this stage, just looking for some kind of pullback, potentially to any of these sort of areas here, something like that, around there. And then would be looking for a short at that point, because we don't like to chase. We want to take something with a higher probability of getting us some profits. So there you go. That is the review for today. Let me know if you have any questions. I will check in the chat. Tell me if you're following on the Telegram channel. Did you see the setup for Gbp Cad yesterday? Did you take it? Did you not? Did you miss it? And if you did take it, did you move your the stop loss to break even? Yes, break even now. Okay, great, awesome. Good, good. Thanks for that feedback. All right, so if there are no questions, I will sign off. Before I do, I will pop the link. Whoops, not quite that. There we go. If I can copy and paste that, I will pop that link. Can I do that or not? Yes. Okay, here we go. Link to the Telegram group if you want to sign up. It is free this month, so jump on if you want to check it out. Otherwise, I will see you again at the Simple Forex Setup Show next Tuesday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. Singapore time. So thank you very much. See you next week. Have a great weekend.